Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope all is fruitful. Hey, listen, what I want to do in this tutorial today is show you guys how to pull list using the MD Register of Wills website for Maryland. I want to show you guys how to pull a list from the Register of Wills website. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Here we go. Let's go to Google and you want to go to MD Register of Wills. Type that out. You should see this right here. This is the website you want to go to, so you want to click that. Once you click that, it's going to bring you here. You want to scroll down and agree to the terms. Click that. Once you agree to the terms, this is what I want you to put in so you can find it. You want to go to estate type FP. FP means foreign property. The property type, we're going to go to personal representatives. And then we're going to pick a range date. So I like to go back 6 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's for the first. And then we're going to do pretty much to this date, which is April the 7th. Your screen should look very similar to this. It should look exactly like this. Okay. Now we're going to go to search. Now, when you go to search, it's going to populate all the counties in Baltimore, Maryland. Well, all the counties in Maryland, period, that have been open in between that range time that we just put in. So if you look over to the right, we got 7 pages. That's 7 pages of leads, and I think it's maybe about 10 on each lead, maybe a little more. If you look over to the left, you'll see the county. Now, guys, make sure you pay attention to the county because they're not all the same. See, you got 4 in Allegheny, then you got Baltimore. This will be Baltimore County, not Baltimore City. In Baltimore County, it pretty much stands alone. You'll They'll differentiate it in the system because this would be Baltimore City, and if it's just Baltimore by itself, then that means it'll be Baltimore County. And if you go to page 2, then you see you got Calvert County, Caroline, Cecil County, page 3. You got Charles and Frederick and things of that nature. Okay, so the county changes. Just make sure you keep an eye on that so you're not putting Baltimore City leads into Allegheny County. Okay, you don't want to mix that up. Don't ask me how I know. Anyhow, let's go. Also, another thing, you see the filing date. See how you got duplicate filing dates? You don't need to click on both of them. Just click one because what happened, because there's two personal representatives, it puts in the system, it generates it twice. So you can just click one and that should be good enough. But in this one, the decedent's name is Harold Heavner, and he didn't leave a will, but his personal representatives or personal reps for the estate are right here. So we can actually contact these people by putting them in the system and then getting their contact number and reaching out to them, seeing if they would be interested in selling the estate, selling the property that's in this estate. Okay. Let's go to the next one. And again, like I said, this is a double, so I'm only going to click it once, and then I'm going to go to this one here. And the descendant's name is Mr. Charles. Is that Perky? Mr. Charles Perky. All right, and he got his personal rep is Gene Perky, and this is for this address right here, which is in West Virginia. So we go ahead, we put this information in the system, get a contact number on Mrs. Perky, then reach out to him, things of that nature. Okay, all right, so boom, and we'll do the same thing here. Mr. Lloyd Uphold, that's a cool name, Uphold. But he has a personal rep right here, which is Lorna Uphold. She lives in Aspertz, Pennsylvania. We go ahead, put that information into the system, and reach out to her. Also, there's an attorney on this one as well. So we go ahead and put that attorney information in there as well. Um, but this is what we do. This is how we pull our list. And if you notice, that's the end of Allegheny County, right? So now this would be Baltimore County, and we go ahead and do the same thing, click, and then put the information into the system. Guys, if you have any questions or anything like that, reach out to management or drop us a comment or question in the comment section, and we'll get back to you. The next video, I'll show you guys where to put this information and how to pull up actual property in the estate. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.